It tastes, it smells extremely good.
It is good. This is one of our favorites.
It's home run.
This is football. It's a touchdown, not a home run.
2-point conversion.
Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome to our channel. We are back today with a new cooking video just in the middle of football season. This is one of our favorites. We recently made it, filmed it, and wanted to share it with you guys. This one is awesome. This is pizza dip. Hope you enjoy the video. Today I'm making a deep dish pizza dip that I'm gonna bake in the oven. As always, the recipe is listed below. I'll go over the ingredients and show you real quick how to make it. This one could not be any easier and could not be more delicious hot out of the oven. We're going to mix up with a mixer some cream cheese, sour cream, and some seasoning, oregano, garlic, and cayenne pepper. Then we're going to layer that, followed by pizza sauce, some pepperoni and onions. The recipe calls for green onions. I do not have those today. I'm just going to use what I've got, which is a sweet yellow onion. We will bake that for a little bit, and then at the end we're going to top it with some mozzarella cheese and finish it off. So let's make some pizza dip, y'all. After I mix up the cream cheese and sour cream and the seasonings, I layer that in the bottom. And then we're gonna use pizza sauce, bottled, homemade, whatever you've got. And then we're gonna put the pepperoni and the onion on and bake that first before we add the cheese. Goes into the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, put the mozzarella on top, and another 10 minutes. And we will have pizza dip. The first layer of the pepperoni dip is done. We're gonna add the shredded mozzarella. Put a sprinkle of Italian seasoning on it, and we'll go back in a 350-degree oven for about another 10 minutes. Pizza dip is hot out of the oven. This one is best served warm. We're gonna have ours with tortilla chips. And this one is always a big hit in our house and everywhere we take it. I hope you get a chance to try it. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Enjoy some pizza dip with the game. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.
Go Saints. Who dat?
Woo.